Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about a couple things. One, what's been going on for the past couple of days because I haven't been able to do a video and why. Two, Python studying, Python programming and studying, just kind of looking at changing resources, trying to get the best, best resource to be able to study from, learn from a beginning standpoint. And then just three, just a recap of what's going on. There's not going to be any news today, just haven't had time, but I'll talk about that in the video. So let's hack at it. Okay, so first, a little bit of a frustration. I don't know if you were dealing with the Bell internet access or Bell internet outage yesterday, but it took me down majority of the day, so I wasn't able to do a lot of stuff, so I wasn't able to study. I used Code Academy for doing some Python programming. Some of the videos I watch online are online, so I didn't have access to them. So a lot of the stuff that I was trying to study, and then Safari books I was able to read. I was able to do a little bit of reading, but I wasn't able to do some of the labs and everything because some of them I needed internet access. So, but the internet was down, so it was like, oh, it's so frustrating. So a little bit of frustrating of why I didn't get some things done, as well as I wasn't able to look up the news because I didn't have any internet access. So I didn't do any research on what's up in the news, what's going on. So that's even why today I haven't kind of really research what's going on in the news. Talking about studying, I like to ask you, if you're someone that's watching this that has done self-studying for Python programming, what resources did you use? What books, what websites? Did you use Code Academy? Did you use Udemy? Did you, Lynda? What other resources could you use? Whatever, you tell me. I mean, what resources did you use? Did you use a book, anything along that line, to help you study? And what did you wish you would have known now, since you've studied, since you've kind of got to that place that you would have helped you streamline? The reason why I'm asking is I'm finding right now, as I'm studying Python programming, I got the book, and I'm just looking here, Learning Python 5th edition by Mark Lutz. I got the 3rd edition before, and it was just, I don't know, I just wasn't learning from it. So I grabbed the 5th edition. It's a little bit better. It's a little bit more clean and concise in the sense of the information, and he's really kind of getting into it a little bit better. So I found that the 3rd edition just was dragging on. I wasn't getting any information. It was very high-end technical right at the start about clients and how you export the files and what type of files, and just diving really deep. And then also he kind of went into a lot of the technical stuff that, because I don't know Python that well, I had no clue. Right? Different commands, well, not different commands, but different functionality that was in Python. And it's just like, whoa, why didn't you kind of go through, okay, let's talk about the language a bit and how it works and do all that. And then in future chapters, when you give me a little bit of a base, okay, well, here's what's going on with Python, some of the things, because the first introduction was just like, whoa, like it was just a brain dump. So, and I mean, most of the stuff I kind of was like, oh, I have no clue, so I'm just going to skim over this. So it didn't give you any value right at the start. So that's just my opinion. What else? I've just been real busy in between, kind of hustling, working with people, and then doing the cybersecurity. It's just been, pretty busy. So I want to get back into making sure I get these videos done, because it's just something for me that gives value to me to be able to do the research, to study, and to learn, and then be able to articulate it, so make sure that I know what I'm learning. That's not just me kind of thinking, do I know this? Do I know Python program? Do I know variables? Do I know booleans? Do I know that? Do I know, the different types of pen testing that's going on, like in Kali Linux? Do I know it? And for me able to teach it and to talk about it helps me, ground it, so I make sure that I know it. So that's kind of why I'm doing the videos and why I'm making sure I'm on top of this. So that's it for today's video. I'm not going to go too long. It just all those things going out once. Outage, trying to find resources for Python to study again, or to just be more efficient with my studying. Linux is going well, learning a lot there, especially because I have to learn it and then use it with Kali Linux, so it's kind of all coming together. So really excited about how things are going. Just a little bit tired and frustrated that I just it's the evolution of trying to find the right resource that's going to help me streamline my learning so I can be faster at it. So that's it for today's video. I'm really excited just to keep going on, and I want to thank everyone that's watching these videos. It's just been so amazing to be just past, I think, 140 videos today. I'm not sure if that's the number, but just being past is just exciting that 140, and I'm expecting to do hundreds more just to keep going, because I love this way of expressing myself and learning and just being able to solidify and ground what I know. So that's it for today's video. Just want to say, software is hackable, being connected is vulnerable. I'll see you next video.